Good morning po, Kongs. Since last week until yesterday po, nagpahayag na po ng strong denial ang House leaders about impeachment efforts against the Vice President. Pero hindi po namamatay ang issue dahil kahapon po nagsalita po ulit ang Vice Presidente at sinasabi niya pong may information siya about this from her close friends mismo dito sa House of Representatives. What is your reaction to this and why do you think is the Vice President insisting on the issue despite the strong denial from the House leadership?
I've answered this before na, di ba nga, nakita nga po natin sa crystal ball dati na wala naman pong ganun na balita. Pero siguro, i-identify na lang niya yung mga friends niya na nagsabi para yung mga friends niya ang magsabi kung tama po yung mga nakukuha nilang informasyon mula sa grapevine. But, dito po sa House of Representatives, wala naman pong ganun na napag-uusapan.
Sa ilang oras at araw na ginugugol ko dito sa Kongreso ay hindi ko narinig yun. Ganun kasi talaga ang public service eh. Meron kang mga kaibigan na totoong kaibigan, pero meron ka namang kaibigan na gusto nilang may action. Sometimes, itong mga action na ito makes them more important. Kaya ito yung mga bagay na dapat worry yung ating Vice President. Kasi ang hirap nung may magre-report pero walang basihan at pagkatapos doon nakafocus tayo. In fact, napakasayang nung oras na napupunta sa usaping wala namang kwenta at wala namang talagang nangyayari. Again, I haven't heard talks of an impeachment. Hindi ko rin siya nakita dun sa ating mga kasamahan. Lahat busy sa pag-scrutinize at pagpapasa ng budget. And more importantly, kung sino man yung mga nag-iintriga, sana sabihin kung sino-sino sila para malaman natin kung ito ba ay may vested interest, ito ba ay tila linilin lang yung ating Vice Presidente, o ito ba ay gusto lang ng fireworks dahil walang magawa sa buhay.
In addition to that po, I think on our part, ang magagawa lang po namin is to confirm po siguro na at least sa amin, wala po kaming narinig na ganung mga allegations, wala namang usapan ng impeachment po dito sa House. In fact, ang naririnig po namin usually is nahirapan yung mga congressman na bumalik sa kanilang mga distrito dahil overtime na po sila dito sa budget deliberations. Meron pa po tayong, for the first time in a while, deliberations na nga po sa budget appropriations. Meron pa rin po tayong mga concurrent committees. I believe yesterday there was the committee on the oil spill. Of course, we have the Quadcom. And in addition to that po, tuloy-tuloy pa rin po yung BPSF. There is quite the coordination po between the executive and the district representatives yung sa legislation. If you recall po, we had the BPSF Agent Summit nung Monday, and there was recognition po ng part ng Congress po doon na bilang representatives mga tao in their districts, sila po yung nagiging agent together with the executive sa pagbaba ng BPSF. So I think doon pa lang po sa BPSF, sa House deliberations, plus yung ongoing committees, napaka-busy po ng mga congressman, congresswoman po natin dito. So I'm not sure po kung saan nanggagaling yung allegation of impeachment. If they could perhaps, kagaya ng sabi ni Kong Ortega, if they could substantiate the claims and say sino pang nagsasabi nito and point at certain persons, then perhaps that would be more helpful for us to really thresh out. But as far as we're concerned, parang wala naman po.
Meron po kasabihan na one word is enough for a wise man. Ilang beses na po itong nasabi na wala pong katotohanan yan. I hope this rumor mongering would stop. Kami po dito sa House of Representatives, ito pong apat na mga kasamahan ko po dito. Every day po, every session week, every committee hearings, public hearings, nandito po kami. And I personally can categorically say na wala pong usapin na ganun. Dahil ang liderato po ng House of Representatives under Speaker Martin Romualdez, ang pinupush po natin dito sa House of Representatives ay paano po isulong ang ating bansa, magkaisa ating bansa patungo sa matiwasay, no? Matiwasay na gobyerno. Dahil nakikita nga po natin, apart from the legislative work that we do here, we also go down to our communities, no, different districts and provinces, to bring closer the services of the government to the people. Ganun po talaga ang priority ng House of Representatives. It also speaks about bridging gaps and uniting communities, no, for the prospect of, bringing together all communities na para doon sa pagsulong ng ating bansa. It also speaks about, I guess, no, itong usapin, no, kasi itong sinasabi nilang issue or rumor, alam po namin dito at alam po ng liderato ng House of Representatives, this is counterproductive to the work that we're doing right now. Itong usaping impeachment, alam po natin, no? That's why we don't put credence on the issue, because alam mo natin na this is not only this create disunity, create chaos politically, but it also counters. It's counterproductive, and it counters the efforts and the positive result of everything that we have done and everything that we continue to do.